In storage, basic unit of data storage, data access method. The subtopic in data storage device is magnetic disk. In this, we also know about hard disk, floppy disk or zip disk, super disk, optical disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disk. Some topic we are study in module 2 also. Flash memory storage, solid state drive, USB flash drive and memory card. Storage, data computer storage, often called storage or memory, is a technology consisting of computer component and recording media used to retain digital data. It is a core function and fundamental component of computers. Storage is required for following reason. The main memory is temporary. The storage is required to store data and program permanently. The capacity is limited. The storage is required to store a large amount of data and program. Here some basic unit of data storage. We already know about the basic unit of data storage. The smallest unit is bit, a computer with binary digits. These digits are in the form of 0 and 1s. A binary digit is called bit. One bit take one storage location in memory. It is the smallest unit of the data storage. Byte, a collection of 8 bits is called byte. It is used to store single character. The capacity of the memory or the storage is expressed in the types of in terms of bytes. Here same as kilobyte. In 1 kilobyte consists of 1024 bytes. It is denoted by KB. Same as megabyte. A megabyte consists of 1024 kilobytes. It is denoted by MB. Gigabyte. A gigabyte consists of 1024 megabyte. It is denoted by GB. A terabyte. A terabyte consists of 1024 gigabyte. It is denoted by TB. Data access method. Different method accessing data are flowing. Here are some is random access memory and second one is sequential access memory. In random access memory, direct out of sequence or random access via computer CPU means that data can be retrieved directly from any location on the storage medium in any order, more precisely called direct access. A random access data file enable you to read or write information anywhere in the file. All storage devices used today are random access devices. For example, CD, DVD drives or USB flash drives. Sequential access memory. Sequential access memory SAM is a class of data storage device that read store data in a sequence. Magnetic sequential access memory is typically used for secondary storage in general purpose computer due to their higher density at lower cost compared to RAM as well as resistance to wear and non-volatile. Example of SAM device is still in use include hard disk, CD-ROM, magnetic tapes. Magnetic. A magnetic disk is a storage device that uses a magnetization process to write or rewrite and access data. It is covered with a magnetic coating and store data in the form of tracks, spot and sector. हाँ 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 आ जाओ लेकिन क्लास चल रही है ठीक है ना।
Excuse me, sir, not audible.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hard disk performance. The important factor is seek time, spindle speed, and latency for finding the hard disk performance. So the first is seek time. It is also called positioning performance. It is time required by read-write head to reach the correct location on the disk. It is measured in milliseconds. Second one is spindle speed. It is also called transfer performance. It is the speed at which the drive transfer data. It is measured in revolution per minute, RPM. Latency. It is the time required by the spinning platter to bring the desired data to read-write head. It is measured in milliseconds. External and removable hard disk. An external hard disk is a separate hard disk that is connected to USB port or FireWire port on system unit. The advantage of external hard disk is that it can be installed without opening the system unit. The storage capacity of external hard disk is up to 4 TB and more. Some advantages of external and removable hard disk. First one is these can be used to transfer large number of files from one place to another. Second one is these disks can store large number of audio and video file easily. Third one, these disks can be used for internal hard disk. Miniature hard disk. The miniature hard disks are very small hard disks. These disks are available in different sizes such as 0.585 inch or 1 inch or 1.8 inch. Both internal and external hard disks are available in miniature sizes. These devices such as portable media player, digital camera, smartphone usually have internal miniature hard disk. The storage capacity of miniature hard disk is from 1 GB to 320 GB. Cache. Disk caching is often used to speed up magnetic hard drive performance. Today, hard drives typically use a disk cache consisting of memory chips that is located on circuit board inside the hard drive cache. The computer copies the requested data to the disk cache anytime the hard drive is accessed. Floppy disk. Floppy disks are also known as diskette. Floppy disk is portable magnetic storage device. A floppy disk can store up to 1.44 MB of data, which is equivalent to around 300 pages of A4 text. They used to be the ideal storage device for transferring small file from home to work, school, or from one office computer to another. But nowadays, many files contain graphics that are larger than the size of floppy disk, so it is not commonly used nowadays. All disks must be formatted before data can be returned to the disk. Formatting divides the disk up into section or sector on to which data files are stored. Some advantages of floppy disk. Portable, small and lightweight, inexpensive, useful for transferring small file between home and school, can be used many times. But some disadvantage of floppy disk. Not very strong, easily to damage. Data can be erased if the disk come into contact with a magnetic field. Quite slow, to access and retrieve data when compared to a hard disk. Can transport viruses from one machine to another. Small storage capacity. These are the drawbacks. Flash memory storage. A flash memory is a solid state chip that maintains store data without any external power source. It is commonly used in portable electronics and removable storage device and to replace computer hard drive. Flash memory is widely used in a smartphone, digital camera, portable media player. Types of flash memory. Solid state drive. The newest flash memory application, solid state drive, can replace a computer hard drive. They have no moving part, so mechanical failure is near zero. Solid state drive are quieter and smaller than hard drive, and they provide faster response, access and boot up times, but consume much less power and run cooler. Advantages: provide faster data access and data transfer. They do not generate noise. Security, allowing a very quick scan of all data storage. Some of the storage devices are waterproof. Disadvantage: price. Solid state drive are more expensive than magnetic hard drive. Recovery of data in case of failure can be more difficult than magnetic hard drive. USB flash drive is a flash memory storage drive. Also are called thumb drives. Jump drives, also called pen drive, key drive, tokens, or simply use USB drive. A small portable flash memory card that plug into a computer USB port and function as a portable hard drive. USB flash drive are touted as being easy to use as they are small enough to be carried in the pocket and can plug into any computer with a USB drive. USB flash drive have less storage capacity than an external hard drive, but they are smaller and more durable because they do not contain any internal moving parts. Wireless flash drive. Wireless flash drive is used to store and share data wirelessly across mobile device and computer. It is portable and very easy to use. It connects wirelessly up to 8 drive and stream video at the same time via Wi-Fi. Wireless flash drive are available in 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB. Example is SanDisk Connect. A memory card or flash card is an electronic flash memory data storage used for storing digital information. These are commonly used in a portable electronic devices. Devices and such as digital cameras, mobile phone, laptop, computer, tablet, MP3 player, and video game console. A memory card can be inserted into a slot on a computer or mobile device. However, a card reader can be attached to a computer if it does not have a slot. Compact flash. Invented by SanDisk Corporation in 1994, compact flash card can support 3.3 volt and 5 volt operation and can switch between the two. In contrast to other small form factor flash memory card that can operate only at 1 voltage. The storage capacity of compact flash can be from 8 GB to 512 GB. Here are some SD card also, secure digital card, memory stick media and security digital memory card. SD card are used in many small portable devices such as digital video camcorder, digital cameras, handheld computers, audio players, and mobile phones. SD memory card are now available in capacity between 16 megabyte and 1 gigabyte and is still growing. It provides a storage capacity up to 32 GB. Memory stick media. Memory stick is a removable flash memory card format launched by Sony and is also used in general to describe the whole family of memory stick. In addition to the original memory stick, this family includes the memory stick Pro, a revision that allow greater maximum storage capacity and faster file transfer speed. Another type of memory stick is called memory stick micro with storage capacity of 2 GB to 4 GB. Digital extended capacity is commonly used in digital camera. It provides the storage capacity of 32 GB up to 2 terabyte. Optical disc. Optical disc is a form of removable storage. It includes CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. Optical drive use a laser and read and write data and optical on an optical disc. The laser stands for light amplification through stimulated emission of radiation. Laser beam write on the surface by creating small pit, a hole in a disc. Optical disc commonly store data in a single track. Optical disc storage can be from 700 MB to several GB. The main category of optical discs are CD and DVD. CD stand for compact disc. It is mainly used to store photos, audio, and computer software. CD are available in three types, which are read-only, recordable, and rewritable, and different type of CD are as follow. CD-ROM. CD-ROM stand for compact disc, read-only memory. The data stored on CD-ROM can only be read. It cannot be deleted or changed. It can store up to 700 MB of data. Use of CD-ROM. CD-ROM is mostly used to store photo and audio. It is often used to distribute new application software and games. Advantage of CD-ROM. It is the least expensive way to store data and information. CD-ROM disks are durable and easy to handle. Disadvantages of CD-ROM. The data cannot be edited. It retrieves data and information more slowly than magnetic hard disk. Here CD write and CD rewrite. CDR stand for CD recordable. The user can write data on CDR only once but can read it many times. The data written on CDR cannot be erased. CDR drive are known as CD burner. The process of recording data on CDR is called burning. CDR is known as WOM. Write once, read many. CDRW. CDRW stands for compact disc read writable. It is also known as erasable optical disc. The most common type erasable and rewritable optical disc is magneto optical disc. DVD. DVD stands for digital video disc. The storage capacity of DVD is much greater than CD. It can store up to 17 GB of data. DVD are available in three types of which read only, recordable and rewritable. DVD stands for digital video disc read only memory. It is high capacity optical disc that our user can only read but not write or erase. DVD-R. DVD-R stands for digital video disc recordable. It is similar to CDR disc. The written data cannot be erased. DVD RW stands for digital video disc rewritable. The user can write data on CD RW many times by erasing the existing content. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a new and more expensive DVD format. It provides high capacity and better quality than standard DVD, especially for high definition video. It can store up to 100 GB of data.